with the installation of Microsoft SQL Server Express, we need to disable the power on button on the mini PC. Otherwise, when power shuts off, the PC is expecting you to press that button on to power on the computer. And we don't want that. We want the server to be on 24 hours a day, even when electricity goes out. So when it comes back, the server just starts automatically. So go ahead and shut down the PC and power it back on. And while it's booting up, I want you to press the escape key until you get to this menu. This is the boot menu. And here you're going to be looking at the advanced, and at the advanced, go ahead and choose the auto power on. And power on, there's two options: power off and power on. Power on is what we want. Power off, which is the other one. For this one, you have to press the actual power on button. So go ahead and do this configuration change, and then press F10 and then enter and save the changes. So from now on, the mini PC will start up automatically without you having to push the power on button. And then after that, we're going to get ready to start downloading Microsoft SQL Server 2022 Express. And we will also be working, hopefully, with the Management Studio. Probably in this one video or our next one. Thanks. See you. Okay, let's go ahead and navigate to this page. And go ahead and click on download so we can get this software, SQL Server 22 Express from Microsoft. Once you do that, I want you to also, we need to install the Management Studio. So this is the latest link for version 2022. So go ahead and click over here and install, download both of them. I already did this. It's on my desktop. So I'm going to go ahead and double click on it and install it on this computer. So I'm going to go to desktop, and I'm going to click first on the SQL Server and go through the entire installation. I'm going to make this real quick. First of all, we want the custom, not the basic. And here we can just leave there as the default. So we're going to go ahead and click install. All right, on this Windows, we would like to select standalone, a new server standalone installation. Go ahead and accept the license terms. We're going to use Microsoft Update to check for updates. Here we're going to leave everything the same the way it is, minus the firewall warning, which is okay. We're not using Azure, so we're going to go ahead and uncheck this and continue. Here we want just the database engine. We don't want anything else. Machine learning, poly, nothing else, just the database engine. That's all we need. Click on next, and we're going to go for the, instead of the name instance, we're going to go for the default instance. This is the one we want, the MMS SQL Server. Click on next, and go ahead and check this, and click on next. Everything else looks good. For the authentication, we want Windows authentication mode. Go ahead, and this looks good. We're just going to go the current user. This is the default one is the one we want. So go ahead and click on next. Perfect. The installation was successful. We're going to go ahead and click on close, and then we're going to go ahead and install SQL Server Management. But actually we could do it from here too. So let me go ahead and definitely we did that already. So we're going to go ahead and open up directly from our desktop. This is the installation icon. I'm going to double click on it and accept the licensing. Okay, let's go ahead and continue. And I'm going to speed up the video right now, and I'll see you in a while. Perfect. Okay, here we are going to leave everything as it is. We're not going to check any of this. And we're going to go and click on install. Perfect. It is running. All right. Now we are going to do one more step, and we're just going to go ahead and skip and add accounts later. We're going to go ahead and click here, and that is going to take you to the actual software management studio. And from there, we will stop recording. And on the next video, we're going to go ahead and configure this login session for Management Studio, including the Windows authentication issue that we're going to be having when we install Ignition Gateway. So, well, we'll see you on the next one, okay?